Office Clipboard in MS Word is one of the little known feature, but one that is super helpful if you need to copy and paste different multiple text at a go. So in this video, you will learn how to copy, how to paste, and how to delete in Office Clipboard in MS Word. And finally, you will learn how to customize and turn off the Office Clipboard in MS Word. So let's get started. So let's start by seeing the distinction between copying and pasting using Office Clipboard and Windows Clipboard. So on Office Clipboard, you can copy and paste multiple different contents on your document to a maximum of 24 different items, which will be saved automatically on your Office Clipboard. But on the Windows Clipboard, you can only copy and paste content on your document once at a time. So here I have a document in MS Word. So let's start by seeing how we can copy different content on the Office Clipboard. Now to start copying, let's first of all open the Office Clipboard. To do that, come here on the Home tab, click here on Home tab. Then here, as you can see, we have Clipboard. Now to open the Clipboard pane, the Office Clipboard pane, here click on this small arrow here, and you hover over, you see it is Clipboard. So click that. So here by default, you can see now the Clipboard, the Office Clipboard pane. Now here are some few things we can do with the Office Clipboard. Here when you click here on the drop down menu, you can move it, you can size it, you can close it. Maybe if you want to move it, you just click it, then you just move it wherever you want. As you can see, I can move it here, I can move it at the center here, anywhere I want. Also, we can size it. As you can see here in the drop down menu, you can also size it. So like this, maybe I want to size it like that, I can make it bigger like that. So there's several things you can do with the Office Clipboard. I can also close it here instead of closing it here. So those are the basic things that you can do with the Clipboard. So let's copy some content on the Office Clipboard. So maybe I want to copy this paragraph. I just select it like that. Then I come here on the Home tab. Then I click here on the copy. As you can see, what I selected and copied appears here on the Office Clipboard. I also want to copy this one, so this paragraph also. Let me select it like that. So I can also use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+C. Like that, I copy it. So as you can see, it appears here. So as you can see, whenever I copy a new content, it appears on the top. Then the old content appears below it. So let me also copy this paragraph. So Ctrl+C. As you can see, it is here on the top. So like that. If I want to paste them on a new document, what I'm going to do is just open a new document, come here on the file, then click here on new, then click here on blank document. So here I can also see what was copied in this new document. I just open now the Office Clipboard. So as you can see, everything that I copied in the Office Clipboard appears here. So to paste this content here on my document, I just now click where I want the content to be pasted. Maybe I want that here. Maybe I want to start with this content. I just click it like that and it is copied. Maybe I want to paste this. I click like that. Maybe to paste the last one, I just click here. Maybe I want to paste it in between this paragraph and this paragraph. I can first of all click enter, then I click on it like that. You can also click here on the drop down menu like that, and then you click on paste and it is pasted. So now let's see how we can delete items in the Office Clipboard. So for example, if I want to delete this item, I will just click here on the drop down menu, then I click here on delete. Now if I want to delete all the items once in the Office Clipboard, I just click here on this clear all button, Let me do that. If I click that, as you can see, everything now is deleted. Now let's see how now we can customize our Office Clipboard. To do that, click here on Options on the drop down menu. So here we can customize our Office Clipboard. The first option says Show Office Clipboard automatically. So what that means is that when we select this option, it means that when we copy some content here on our document, our Office Clipboard will be shown automatically. So let's check that and try to do that. So as you can see, when we check that, also the second option is checked, and we cannot be able to uncheck that, which says Show Office Clipboard when Ctrl C pressed it twice. So it means that whatever we copy here, we have to press Ctrl C or copy twice, so that our Office Clipboard will be shown automatically. So let's do that. Let's first of all close our Office Clipboard. So maybe I want to copy this paragraph, the first paragraph. I do that, I select it. So let's copy that. We have to do it twice so that our Office Clipboard will be shown. We copy, we click here on copy. So we click here on copy. So it is not shown on when we click the first time. Let's click on the second time. So as you can see, guys, now it is shown. The Office Clipboard is shown with the content that was copied. So that's the first option and the second option of how we can customize our Office Clipboard. Now the third option says correct without showing Office Clipboard. That means that whatever we copy here, when we close our Office Clipboard, will continue to be copied. Then the other option says, the fourth option says show Office Clipboard icon on taskbar. That means that our Office Clipboard is on the window taskbar. It is here on the show hidden icons menu. When you click there, it is here. The last option, or how we can customize our Office Clipboard, is that it says show status near taskbar when copying. So that means that when we select our text and copy it, it will be shown here. It will be shown here. Let's do that so that we can see what I'm saying. So when we select that, maybe this paragraph, when I click Ctrl C, I copy. As you can see, guys, here down here, as you can see, it says 2 out of 24 clipboard. Now lastly, to close our Office Clipboard or to turn it off is very simple. We just come here on the Windows taskbar, then click here on the hidden icon menu. Then here, as you can see, here is our Office Clipboard. Right click it, then click here on stop correcting, and our Office Clipboard now is turned off. So that's all I have in this video of how to use Office Clipboard in MS Word. And if you found the video useful, kindly remember to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel to never miss on my easy but informative digestible tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.